This is out of order party, and everybody's welcome to come.
DJ.
The moolah, bass rode the Hula, so it's time to hula. Yours truly got that 411 on how it's done. Let's have fun. It's very simple, that's what they tell me. Like to see the ladies doing it. Ooh, gotta be jelly. Back to the track, keep your feet flat, bounce, roll, lose control, fast and slow. Let's go. As the bass keep knocking, everybody rocking, ladies dropping, fellas popping, ain't no stopping. The hula was popping, move them hips, groove them hips, all around now. Y'all got it now. Let's go. Round and round it goes, round and round it goes, round and round it goes, round and round it goes. Bend them knees, drop it, they get it down low. Bend them knees, drop it, they get it down low. Bend them knees, drop it, they get it down low. Shake them hips like a hula girl. Double O's keep it hitting, hitting, hitting. Double O's keep it hitting, hitting, hitting. Double O's keep it hitting, hitting, hitting. Like the butterfly on them cheeks. You keep it flapping 7 days a week. One flap, one at a time. I should have said one cheek at a time. Left cheek, right cheek, just do that dance. Oh girl, you know them dollars dance. Roddy rock, gonna spring in that pose. Got the hips and go for what you know.